simple gear train, a series of gears capable of receiving and transmitting motion from one gear to another is called a simple gear train. So it is as shown in the figure. In a simple gear train, a pair of mated external gears always move in opposite directions. Compound gear train. When a series of gears are connected in such a way that two or more gears rotate about an axis with the same angular velocity, it is known as compound gear train. In this type, some of the intermediate shafts, that is, other than the input and the output shafts, carry more than one gear as shown in the figure. Reverted gear train. If the axis of the first and the last wheels of a compound gear train coincide, it is called a reverted gear train. Such an arrangement is used in clocks and in simple lathes where back gear is used to give a slow speed to the chuck. So this type of gear is shown in the figure. Planetary or epicyclic gear train. When there exists a relative motion of axis in a gear train, it is called a planetary or epicyclic gear train. Thus, in an epicyclic gear train, the axis of at least one of the gears also moves relative to the frame. Consider two gear wheels A and B as shown in the diagram, the axes of which are connected by an arm C. If the arm C is fixed, the wheels A and B constitute a simple train. However, if the wheel A is fixed so that the arm can rotate about the axis of A, the wheel B would also move around the wheel A. Therefore, it is an epicyclic gear train.